Hi, my name is Mike Taylor and welcome to an introduction on Cascading Style Sheets, or CSS as it's more commonly known. First of all, an introduction and a bit of history for you on HTML. HTML was originally designed by scientists working at a place in Geneva called CERN, and their sole purpose was to share scientific documents across their intranet, and so they weren't really concerned with how it looked. They designed HTML so it described the structure of the page and not its appearance. So I'm just going to give you an example here, and we're going to be using Dreamweaver. So let's just open up a new HTML page, and I'm just going to put it into the split view. Okay, and what I mean is that if, for example, here we go to the top and we put in a new H1 tag, which is heading 1, and just put in title there. Okay, so all I'm going to do is we're now going to save that, and I'm going to save it just as my test document. So as you can see, the browser, in this case Internet Explorer, has by default decided that because it's a heading that it's going to change its appearance, so it's bold and it's a much larger typeface than would normally be the case if it was just standard text. As the use of HTML increased in popularity and was used by web designers and not by scientists, these web designers were far more concerned about how the web page would look in the browser. As a result, they came up with workarounds which would accomplish the design that they wanted. So for example, the table tag was included in HTML for displaying data in a spreadsheet format, but web designers found it could be used to contain text and images on the page and making it invisible by setting its border to 0. So now you could come up with complicated web page designs that could be achieved by nesting tables within tables. With the introduction of Cascading Style Sheets, you can really separate the structure of the page, which is described by the HTML, and the design, layout and presentation, which is described by Cascading Style Sheets.